Hi guys, this is AFen vending machine. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a vending machine. It starts with our shipment production line. We use second galvanized sheet, laser cutting, high-speed punching, automatic bending, and other process with accuracy of millimeters to ensure the precise bar joint accuracy of each part of the vending machine. Then, through high-precision automatic welding without dead ends, the consistency of process and quantity is ensured, so that the overall frame of the machine is sewn tightly and achieves ultra-high firmness.